Austin, Texas, home of awesome murals, delicious barbecue, and some of the best tacos you'll ever have in your life. I'm going to show you 6 of the taco places you will seriously regret not visiting when you come to Austin, Texas. First up is El Primo. El Primo is a small taco stand that can get super busy because it's just one guy making simple tacos. It's not open very late, but it is really cheap, and the tacos are delicious. If you ask for cheese, he'll sear it right on the flat top for you, throw it on top of the taco, and it gives it that extra crunch. It's cash only, so make sure you bring your greenbacks and get ready to eat. Next up is Popete Taco House. It's a small local chain here in Austin, has some super tasty tacos that seem very, very authentic. And they have a great lunch special where you can get 2 tacos, rice and beans for around $8. So if you're looking for a sit-down place that won't really break the bank, this might just be the ticket. Third on the list is the Tripi Taco. Now it's in a gas station parking lot, but don't let that put you off because the tacos here are amazing. I'm talking super unique stuff like fried chicken wrapped in bacon, covered in queso, and ready to just make your life better. Definitely recommend the Chilaquiles taco. It was super good with crispy tortilla shells, super nice people, great branding, and just an overall cool place. Ever since visiting Mexico City earlier this year, I've been craving a true al pastor taco cooked on the trompo. Luckily, Vaqueros Taqueria had just the thing. What started as a food trailer now is a full-on restaurant, serving up the delicious al pastor tacos we know and love with a little bit of pineapple in there for the sweetness. It's a great deal for the size of taco, and I definitely recommend checking them out. One of the best things about having so many taco options is that you can eat super cheap, and that brings me to Las Trancas. Every taco is only $2. I think I would be here every day if I lived here. They're open late too, so it's a great after drinking food. They've got a bunch of different meats you can choose from, like carne asada and al pastor. You can get chicken, you can get chorizo, you can get barbacoa, and then you can get some weird stuff if you're into it, like pork stomach or tongue. And there's even beef cheek and chicharron. I definitely recommend trying the chicharron though, it is so good. Las Trancas is definitely the best budget taco you can get in Austin. So our final taco spot is our favorite taco spot, Veracruz Al Natural. They've got 3 locations across Austin, but the one we loved the most was at Radio City Beer and Coffee. Serving up super delicious tacos for around $3 or $4 with a cult-like following of their green salsa, which isn't that spicy, but is just so tasty. You definitely have to check this place out, and you will 100% regret it if you don't. I recommend getting either the steak fajita taco, the migas taco, the al pastor taco, or really just get one of each. This place is authentic, delicious, and ready to serve you up the best tacos you're gonna have here. So those are just 6 of the taco joints you can find when you're cruising around Austin. There are literally hundreds of them, so you can't go wrong. Just start walking and you'll find a taco. If you're looking for these spots, look in our description. We're gonna put all of the different locations so you can find them, as well as some of the price ranges and our recommendations on what you should try. If you liked the video, smash the like button, hit that subscribe so that you can get all of our newest updates, and we'll see you guys next time.